MTS Sensors presents the innovative connector systems for Temposonics M-Series. The benefits of the innovative MTS connector system compared to conventional systems. With conventional connectors, there is the risk of liquid ingress. Cable fittings age and wear out. Conventional connectors do not protect against humidity over all time. The MH sensor by MTS is delivered together with a new connector system. The contact carrier is already connected to the sensor conductors, i.e. no soldering, any color, or connection mistake. The contact carrier is taken out of the cylinder through a borehole, and the flanged housing can be clicked in position easily from outside. 4 standard screws must be tightened to mount the connector system on the cylinder. Sensor installation is now child's play. With an angle plug, it is possible to adjust the connector carrier in 45 degrees. The Temposonics connector system meets the most exacting protection requirement important for the difficult environmental conditions of mobile hydraulics applications. Protection type IP69K makes the robust metal housing not only completely dust and waterproof, even the harshest cleaning measures can't damage the sensor.